These beautiful Canterbury bells have to be the highlight of my next video for you. 3 years ago, I bought a packet of seeds at Home Depot. These were Canterbury bells, which are biennial. And so the first year it was kind of boring, I'll be honest, because I planted them at home in trays sometime in March, and then I transplanted them in my garden. And for that first year nothing was going on because they were just seedlings, doing their thing the first year. The next year I had my first beautiful Canterbury bells, and I had all sorts of varieties. I had white, I had purple. I don't quite remember having pink at that time. And so what happened the following years is they started to self-seed, and they specifically found this spot to self-seed year after year. Last year I only had white Canterbury bells. Now this year, for some reason, I have all three colors, a lot of white, but I also have this beautiful pink and the small branch of purple. They seem to be coming, at least the pink and the white, coming from one plant, whereas the purple seems to be coming from a smaller plant. I actually have to investigate. However, apparently it is possible for one plant to have multiple colors. And it's also possible for white Canterbury bells to self-seed and have a completely new shade the following years. So how to make them keep coming back? So number one, you don't want to mulch the area where you're going to have your Canterbury bells, right? Wherever you have self-seeding plants, you want to put some good soil to provide the right conditions for new seeds to emerge. I happen to use this little spot for planting every year those orange California poppies. And because of that, I make sure they get water. So in my watering system here, I always have a few spots where I keep this area moist. And so that apparently also helps this Canterbury bell to keep coming every year. So a little bit about this lovely, lovely plant. It's right now middle of June, and they are fully in full bloom. As you can see, the bells are pretty sizable, and those pink ones especially. So this is the size of the bell, and it's a favorite spot for bees to get inside. So the pollinators literally are swarming this little spot. And what is also great is that if you look on each branches, there's more and more tiny buds coming. So this plant will keep on giving these beautiful flowers for a while before it's gonna be done for the season. I think these are absolutely adorable plants, and apart from that first year where, like I said, you don't really get that instant gratification, it's an amazing thing to have it come on its own every year. And the fact that I never know what color will be this new plant makes it even more exciting. Hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more plant and garden design tips, and happy gardening!